In today's video, I will teach you how to clone an object in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click on File, then Open to import the image that contains the object that you want to clone. Now, select the Clone Stamp tool from the toolbar. And in the Options bar, adjust the brush size and hardness based on the area that you want to clone. A softer brush edge is useful for blending. Now we're going to define the source area. Now hold down the Alt key or Option key and click on the area of the image that you want to use as a source for cloning. This sets the starting point for the clone. And to clone the object, release the Alt key and click and drag over the area where you want to clone the object. The Clone Stamp tool will paint using the source area that you've defined. If needed, redefine the source area by holding the Alt key and clicking a new source point. This is useful if the object that you're cloning needs to match different parts of the image. And you can also refine the cloning. To blend the cloned area with the surrounding image, adjust the brush size and hardness or use lower opacity settings. You can use the Healing Brush tool to correct any imperfections or blend areas. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your work. To preserve your work with all the layers intact, simply go to File, then Save as PSD. To save the final image, go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. Then adjust the export settings if needed, then click Save to download your image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.